Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to discuss an international organization named as the BIMSTEC. BIMSTEC is a Bay of Bengal Initiative for a multi-sectoral technical and economic cooperation. It is a regional grouping of 7 member countries which are India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand and Sri Lanka. The secretariat of the BIMSTEC is located in the Dhaka. It is somewhere here in the Bangladesh. BIMSTEC is established in the 1997 through the Bangkok Declaration. Recently, in 2020, BIMSTEC DMEX 2020 exercise was held at Puri in the Odisha. DMEX 2020 is related to the disaster management exercise. Thailand and Bhutan did not participate in the exercise. You can see the BIMSTEC countries in the map here. By using the short form of the BIMSTEC, you can memorize the countries. The BIMSTEC, B stands for Bangladesh, I for India, M for Myanmar, S is for Sri Lanka, T is for Thailand, Bhutan and Nepal. But the actual full form of the BIMSTEC is different, which is Bay of Bengal Initiative for a Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Thanks for watching our video. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.